to my new vlog. At ayan, birthday ni Victoria ng mga kanats. Galing kami sa nagpagsimba. So ayan, pupunta kami sa magla-lunch kami mga kanats. So saan tayo magla-lunch? Saan tayo magla-lunch this? Sa Mandarin or sa ang tawag dito? Jay, where are we gonna lunch, Jay? Jay, pick your choice, Jay. It's daddy's treat. It's my treat. Huh? Where are you gonna eat, Jay? Mandarin or you have a new...
Victoria and JJ is free.
Yeah, Victoria. It's your birthday, Jay. Still birthday. And Ate Victoria's today's birthday. Sunday, November 17th. Yes. So, Jay, where are you going, Jay? Jay, where? Daddy's treat. Come on. Where are you gonna eat? Mandarin? Sure. Not Starbucks, Jay.
Let's go Starbucks.
You have Starbucks here, oh? So, are you sure, Jay? Because we have here a new restaurant, Middle East restaurant. I don't know, huh? But look like a Korean grill. If you want to try, we're gonna try. It's very close to Mandarin. Here, you see?
Baka yan yung ano.
Sorado. Here, you see? Turad's restaurant.
Yeah,
Wanna try?
Ayan yung birthday ni ano.
Okay, no? Okay, Mandarin.
Then yung wedding.
Oo nga, yung wedding ni, ang tawag dito, ni Jan. So, dito kami sa Mandarin, mga nats, itong Mandarin. No? Ayan. O, ititreat ko ang aking anak. Bunot Fernando po na naman ako. Busy. So, ayan, let's go to the Mandarin.
We're going after Mandarin.
We're going. We're going. Buffet. Daming tao mga knats. Take 2. Take 1. Take 2. More to come. Kailangan buffet itong mga knats. Buffet. Kailangan kumain ang kumain. Di ba? Hanggang 2 rounds lang ako mga knats. Nakailang balik ka, Tes? Tes? Dalawa? So, mga anak ko, mahihina kumain mga knats. Daming tao dito ngayon. Dami nag-birthday. Bawat lang isa yata may birthday. Kasi ano mga knats pag birthday mo, libre isa. Dalawa sa akin birthday. Disqualified kasi minimum mga knats dapat 2 at 3 adult. 3 adult. Puro bata kasama ko lugi. So isa lang ang yung lang si GR lang pwede. So ganun talaga. Ganon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Okay, Jay. Ikaw, Jay. Happy birthday, Jay.
No, it's okay. It is done already.
Happy birthday, ate. Tumahimik ang nawala lang yung doon. Yung may ka-party doon. Tumahimik. Tumahimik dito.
Yeah, we're waiting the phone. Oh, okay then.
It's okay. Alas 3 na. Mag-change na kasi sila ng pagkain eh. Ano ba yung oras ng dinner? Ha? 4? 4 ang dinner. So alas 3 may higit na. change na dinner. Iba ng putahe doon. Iba naman bayad. Ayan, pag dinner na, kain. Iba na yung ano nila, ilalagay. Nag-change na sila ng pagkain. So, pag dinner, iba na yung ilalagay. Pag lunch, ibang presyo na kasi yun. Ibang presyo na. Yan ang kagandahan sa buffet. Eat all you can.